What's up, guys? My name's Brian, the owner of Engine Customs and Performance. Today I'm going to show you how to replace your ignition switch with one of these, a red one. That's right, you can replace your ignition switch with a TRX red ignition switch on your 5th generation Ram 1500. I'm going to show you how to do it, and heads up, it's really easy. Let's get started. If you're interested in purchasing one of these red ignition switches for your Ram 1500, you can do so directly on our website at ngencustoms.performance.com. So let's go over the tools you're going to need to get the job done. Check it out. Nope, no tools, just these. All right, so you may be wondering why I'm even doing a video if it's just that easy. Well, let me tell you why. We've seen on some of the forums that some have removed components that may not be necessary. What we have found is that you can do this without removing anything. Now, some have actually pulled back this panel here to gain access to the ignition switch. Others have removed a kick panel down here to get easier access. But for me, I didn't have to do any of that. And that's what I'm going to show you today. All right, so here's a close-up of the ignition switch. Now you can see on the top, you have two tabs, one here and here. And then I turn it around to the bottom and you have one tab here. So when this ignition switch actually comes out of the dash, I'm going to have my two fingers here on the top, and I'm going to have my thumb on the tab on the bottom. And when I press in on these, this ignition switch is going to push forward, and I'm going to show you how to do that now. Okay, now I got to get myself in position to be able to remove that switch. So I'm going to start by pushing the seat as far back as it will go. And once I do that, I'm actually going to turn around and lay on my back. And then I'm going to take my hand and I'm going to reach up in here, because you can actually feel for that ignition switch. All right, now that I have my hand on the ignition switch, I'm going to press on those three tabs, and once I do that, it pops right out. All right, now I'm going to take that switch, twist it around. You're going to see this one tab here. Press in, and now it's loose. All right, now we need to transfer this silver ring over to the red one. Pretty easy. You've got a tab here and a tab here. You can literally just take like your fingernail and it pops off. Put it right here, comes off. And I take the red one and it pops into place just like that. All right, now with our red one, take that connector, plug it in, push it in the hole, snaps into place, and you're done. So this concludes the video on how to replace your ignition switch with a red one on a 5th generation Ram 1500. If you're interested in purchasing one of these red ignition switches for your Ram 1500, you can do so directly on our website at ngencustoms.performance.com. And if you'd like to support the channel, we have engine t-shirts, hats, and hoodies available to purchase on the website. And if you like the video, make sure to give it a thumbs up and hit that subscribe button and notification bell so you never miss any future Ram 1500 install videos. And until next time, I'm out.